Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create glowing lines on a portrait image. Unlock our layer and create a new layer with lines on it. Next, choose the brush tool and adjust the desired size. The size of the brush depends on the size of the photo. The higher the resolution of the photo, the larger the brush size is needed. Select the hard round pressure opacity brush type. Select curvature pen tool and create a path around our object. Correcting some points with the Convert Point tool. Select the white color. In the menu, select Stroke Path. In the tool setting, the brush should be selected. Delete path. We need to darken the background. To do that, create a copy of the layer with the girl and remove the background with the Select and Mask tool. Switch to the bottom layer with the background. Click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon and select Hue Saturation. Check the Colorize checkbox and use the sliders to adjust the dark background. Add a pink glow. To do this, on the layer with the white outline, left-click with the Control key on PC or Command on Mac. Then we need to expand the selection. In the menu, select Modify, Expand and set the size to 10px. Create a new layer for our glow, choose pink and fill the selection. Set the blending mode to linear dodge, add. Make a copy of the layer with the pink glow and turn it off for now. Let's add blur. In the menu, press Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select the desired size. Turn on the second layer with the pink glow and do the same blur, but with a much larger radius. Create a new layer. Push the brush tool. Brush type soft round. Set a large size. Set the blending mode to linear dodge, add. Set the opacity 20%. And paint over the girl's body a little bit, creating an additional glow that comes from the mane. Reduce the transparency of the layer with the white stroke to 80%. Let's add some more cosmetic adjustments with curves. And add more blur for the white stroke. If the video was useful for you, like, subscribe, click on the bell, it makes me happy and inspires me to new videos. Leave a comment and see you in the next video.